Hi guys, so the most common question I get asked by my friends to do with investing is how do I get started and make the first investment? In this video, I will walk through step by step exactly how to set up an account with a brokerage, in this case Freetrade, and invest. It's very straightforward to do. All you need to get started is your national insurance number, a device or tablet, and some money. Just to note for my normal viewers, this will be a very basic video. A bonus about Freetrade is they have a referral scheme, meaning if you sign up using someone's link, you get a free share worth between £3 and £200. I myself have a referral link which you can find in the description of all my videos. Pressing that takes you to the Freetrade website where there will be a button to get to the app. If you click the link whilst on a computer, it takes you to a website which will ask you to enter your mobile number in, and they will then send you a text with a link to press on your phone. Pressing that takes you to the App Store where you can download the Freetrade app. Make sure you download the app straight away so that the referral works correctly. Once downloaded, open up the app. Put your email address in. You will then be sent an email with a link to press to confirm your email and sign you in. It is important you do this on the device. Make sure you check your junk mail, as that's where the email ended up for me. After pressing the link, continue through the setup process, setting up your password and putting personal details in. Once you've put your nationality in, it's time to put your NI number in. Now, I use Trading212 for my ISA account where I do most of my investing. It is important though to have an account with a couple different brokerages. So if one brokerage goes down whilst there's an excellent buying opportunity, you can still make the investment. So for Freetrade, I use the GAIA, which stands for General Investment Account. Your account is now set up. The next step is to complete the W8BEN form, which allows you to access the US market. Doing this is important as it means your free share can be from an American company, and American companies' stock tend to be a lot more expensive than UK companies, so it increases your chances of getting a more expensive free share. The final step is to fund your account. You've now done everything required for your free share. It takes around a week for the share to arrive in your account, so in the meantime, while you wait, do whatever your good luck ritual is each night to try and increase the chance of getting a share near to the £200 mark. Now to invest the money in your account. Go over to the search tab and search for the company or ETF you want to invest in. I will start by finding a FTSE 250 ETF on the UK market. This ETF tracks the UK's mid-sized companies. Freetrade doesn't have fractional shares for the UK market, so I'll just buy 2 shares of this ETF. There we go, 2 shares purchased for just over £40. Now to buy a company stock. I will look at the US market where there are many great growth companies. I very much like Tesla, so will invest the rest of my money into them. Freetrade does allow fractional shares for the US market, meaning I can invest the exact amount of remaining money into the stock. And there we have it, how to invest into stocks and ETFs. Now just to show the free share coming in, which happened about a week later, this time we got Cemex, a building materials company traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Unfortunately only worth $6 or around £4.60, so we didn't get too lucky there. As you can see, the stock market got battered this last week, so all the investments are down currently, but the overall portfolio is at a profit, fortunately, due to the free share. That wraps up the video guys. If you found it helpful, I'd really appreciate a like to help the YouTube algorithm. Good luck investing.